How to get refund from Wizz Air. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can get refund from Wizz Air. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. But before that, if you don't know what is Wizz Air, it is a prominent Hungarian ultra-low-cost airline known for its extensive network and competitive pricing, operating over 800 routes from 33 bases across 16 countries. It connects nearly to other destinations, primarily in Europe, but also extending to parts of the Middle East and North Africa. And the airline focuses on providing affordable travel options, allowing passengers to customize their experience by paying only for additional services they choose, such as baggage and seat selection. And also the company continues to expand its routes and enhance customer service, solidifying its position as a leading low-cost carrier in Europe. And now at this point, we're not here to book a flight on Wizz Air, but rather to get a refund. And to know more about the refund policy of Wizz Air, you can simply go to Google and go and search Wizz Air refund. And below here, it will show you all of their result, so you can simply click this refund policy and eligibility or this refund option right here. Upon clicking this one, will automatically be directed on this page, and it will show you from here the refund initiation, refund waiting time, and even the third-party services that they offer. And for the refund initiation, you can simply request in your Wizz account. And some of the reasoning here is voluntary cancellation by Wizz Air, delays of over 5 hours or overnight, denied boarding, or even death of a family member. And by clicking this request refund button below here, you'll be able to be directed on this page. However, you should see here on your profile on your Wizz Air account some of the form that you need to fill out in order to request a refund on Wizz Air. But again, you also need to sign in on this account in order to do so. But for the refund waiting time, it takes over 48 hours for Wizz credits and 30 days for claims. But that is also depending on the request and the reason for the refund. And aside from that, from here, it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that you could also start navigating, such as this refund policy and eligibility, where it will show you if you are eligible to get a refund with following valid cases or reason in here, such as voluntary cancellations, which is passengers may receive a refund minus a cancellation fee if they cancel their flight for more than 14 days before departure. And also, a refund request for flights cancelled by Wizz Air must be made online or through customer service. So by clicking this voluntary cancellation right here, it will show you how you can cancel, in which it will show in here the step-by-step process, and all you need to do is simply follow it. It says here that you can cancel your reservation up to 3 hours prior to the scheduled departure time. So again, you can simply do that by going to your Wizz account and request a cancellation or refund. Well, under this refund request for flights cancelled by Wizz Air, the processing time for refunds typically takes up to 48 hours or 30 days for claims. And aside from that, one of the reasons also is this denied boarding and also death of a family member, wherein in case of death of your immediate family member, up to 30 days before the departure date, you can also request a refund by simply submitting a claim or provide a death certificate within 7 days submitting the claim form. So all you need to do is simply submit a claim in here to do so or to get a refund. Moving on the left side panel, you could also navigate this refund processing time and status in order to know your statuses of your refund that you're just requesting. And it says here that it takes 48 hours, 30 days after you submit a claim form or in order for the Wizz credit refunds to be approved. Now moving on, aside from that, if you have other concern, you could also navigate some other options in here on the left side panel. However, if we go to our information and services on this Wizz Air account, it will show us under refunds and compensation some of the details, including up to 2 weeks, in which you could cancel your reservation earlier than the 14th day before the departure, and you only have to pay the cancellation fee to receive a refund. And as you can see below here, it will show you the corresponding amount that you need to pay, which is up to 2 weeks, you need to pay 60 euros to 80 euros fee. Or within 2 weeks, you could also pay up to 100 euro fee plus services. And aside from that, from here, it will show you that you could also get or purchase the Wizz Flex, in which it will allow you to change the date, time, and routing of your flight online with a number of times. By clicking this Wizz Flex, you'll be able to be directed in here, in which from here, if you scroll down, it will show you the step-by-step process on how you can start purchasing the Wizz Flex service. So all you need to do is simply follow all of this step in order to purchase the Wizz Flex that will help you to allow to change your dates and schedule of your flights. And it will automatically also show you that you can get easily a refund if you want to. Now moving on below here under voluntary cancellation by passengers, it will show you the step-by-step process and it will show in here how you can also cancel some of your reservation before getting a refund. And below are the process of canceling the reservation that include more than one passenger. So once again, you'd also start getting a refund request by simply creating your account or signing in on your Wizz Air account. And that's basically what we're going to do in order to show you how to do it. So from here, wizzair.com, you simply sign in your account. You could also register if you want to. And after you start booking in here, and you decide to cancel your flight, you could also receive a refund minus the cancellation fee if you cancel your flight more than 14 days before departure. However, if you cancel the flight within 14 days, a higher fee applies. And here are some of the applicable payments in case of cancellation of the reservation, in which for more than 14 days to go, cancellation fee is around 60 euros to 80 euros per passenger per flight. While if it is within 14 days to go, seat protection fee offer 80 euros up to 100 euro per passenger per flight. And it says here if the cancellation is made more than 14 days prior to departure, the passenger is entitled to the refund of the total fare after the deduction of the cancellation fee and the recovery of the Wizz Discount Club benefits. Well, if the cancellation is made within 14 days prior to departure, the passenger is entitled to the refund of the total fare after the deduction of the seat protection fee, the recovery of the Wizz Discount Club benefits, and also other services. So that's basically one of the things that you also need to remember before getting a refund for your voluntary cancellations, or also before requesting a refund. And from here, it will show you some other further important information that you also need to understand before doing a refund. Well, if you have other concern or question, you could also go to this frequently asked question, and each question has its corresponding answer by simply clicking the question in here. So again, to request a refund for Wizz Air flight, you could also start logging into your Wizz account or start accessing your Wizz account on the Wizz Air website. Then simply select your booking that you want to get a refund, or navigate to the booking you wish to cancel or for which you are requesting a refund, and start initiating the refund request for either reasons such as voluntary cancellations or for cancellation by Wizz Air. Then just simply provide necessary documentation if your refund request is due to special circumstances, such as death of an immediate family member or illness. You will need to submit relevant documentation. And after that, you could also start contacting the customer service if needed, or if you encounter issues or prefer not to use the online system, you could also contact Wizz Air customer service for assistance with your refund request. Then just simply wait for the processing, in which refunds typically take up to 30 days to process back to your original payment method, while refunds in the form of Wizz credits are usually processed more quickly, which is 14 days. So overall, that is just basically how to get refund from Wizz Air. Thank you.